Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. If you're into campers, off-road adventures, and compact travel trailers with big personalities, then buckle up, because today, we're diving into the 2025 Roving Rascal Camper, one of the most talked about tiny campers of the year. This little beast may be small in size, but it's packed with personality and function. Designed for weekend warriors and minimalist adventurers, the Roving Rascal is a micro camper built for off-grid fun, rugged terrains, and easy towing behind almost any vehicle, even a midsize SUV. Let's talk design. The 2025 Roving Rascal sports a rugged aluminum body with reinforced composite panels, giving it a lightweight yet durable structure. With a dry weight of just under 1,200 pounds, it's one of the lightest in its class. The aerodynamic shape and lifted suspension hint at its off-road capabilities, while the all-terrain tires and independent suspension make sure it's ready for those backcountry roads. On the outside, the camper comes with a roof rack for extra gear, optional solar panels, and an extendable side awning perfect for those lazy afternoons at the campsite. There's also a rear outdoor kitchen setup with a slide-out stove, stainless steel sink, and a 12V fridge, compact, but surprisingly functional. Now, step inside and you'll find a cozy but clever layout. Despite its size, the Roving Rascal manages to pack in a convertible queen-size bed, storage cabinets, and dimmable LED lighting. There's a pop-up roof section that adds headroom and ventilation, making it feel more spacious than it looks. It's not about luxury, it's about smart, efficient use of space. Every inch is designed to serve a purpose. For tech lovers, the 2025 Rascal doesn't disappoint. It includes a battery management system with Bluetooth monitoring, USB charging ports, LED exterior lights, and optional Starlink satellite internet support. Whether you're off the grid or parked at a site, you're staying connected. When it comes to pricing, the Roving Rascal starts around $17,000, making it a budget-friendly entry into the world of adventure trailers. With available add-on packages like off-grid upgrades, thermal insulation, and upgraded wheels, you can customize it to fit your style of travel. The verdict: the 2025 Roving Rascal Camper is built for adventurers who want simplicity, mobility, and just the right touch of comfort. It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, or even as a secondary escape pod for families who already RV. So, if you've been dreaming of ditching the city and chasing trails, the Rascal might just be your perfect co-pilot. Thanks for watching AutoBuzz TV. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, first looks, and everything that moves on wheels. Drop a comment below. Would you take the Roving Rascal on your next road trip? Catch you in the next one. Safe travels and happy camping.